He joined the largest army Rome had ever put in the field and marched to confront Hannibal. The ensuing battle would be one of the bloodiest ever fought.
It looks like 8 legions. 85,000 men.
Are you beginning to miss Fabius, Gisco?
85,000. It's the largest army Rome has ever assembled.
They've come as one, we'll kill them as one.
They're well trained, they'll be hard to break.
Discipline can be a flaw as well as a virtue.
Yes.
The Romans are trained to fight in one way only, which makes them predictable. We'll present them with the unexpected and watch them fall apart. Just go. You're afraid.
Of course not.
Don't be. There are 80,000 Romans out there. But not one of them is called Gisco.
This is ideal. We'll pitch our forces there, on that bank. We'll be protected by the river on our right and the hills on our left. There'll be no chance of a surprise attack. And this cavalry won't be able to get round behind us.
I wouldn't be so sure.
Paulus, we're almost twice his number. We'll condense our troops into a mass of sword and shield and smash through the center of his front line. And we'll see what this barbarian is really made of. My only worry is whether he'll actually fight.
Oh, he'll fight.
We're outnumbered, and the Romans have chosen a battlefield that plays to the strengths of its infantry. It's a wise choice, but it's not as wise as they think. Our forces will be arranged like this, like the outside of a bow, strong yet flexible. Mago, you will command this line. I can't emphasize enough its importance to this battle. The Romans will see our battle formation, but they will not fear us. They will have the confidence that comes only with greater numbers, and we will let them believe.
Remember, their greatest strength can also be their greatest weakness.
Just before our lines engage, I want you, Hannibal, to charge their cavalry.
Advance!
When they see our cavalry advance, they will respond. Whatever your losses, you must drive them back and sow complete confusion.
Keep advancing!
We will suffer terrible losses as we press home the attack, but you must drive them back. Romans will respond by throwing forward another wave of infantry. They have superior numbers and they will use them.
Legions of Rome! To glory!
patient, my brother, and give your ground slowly. When your line breaks, which it must, the Romans will be sucked in. They'll throw forward more and more troops. Forward the reserve! At this point, the Romans will think they have won. Let them taste victory. Before we mobilize our hidden reserves to swing around and block them off on either flank. They will be surrounded on three sides. They will have nowhere to go but backwards. You'll return with your cavalry and cut them off. There will be no mercy. It was the greatest battlefield victory of all time. 60,000 Romans perished at our sword. Cream of military and political leadership completely wiped out in a single day. A victory greater than that of Alexander or any hero who walked this earth before me. And yet I felt no sense of triumph.